Driven by a deep love for the natural world, a dedicated nature enthusiast embarks on a mission to bring the great outdoors to those who cannot physically explore it. From breathtaking hikes in the mountains to serene sunsets by the beach, this enthusiast finds endless inspiration in nature's wonders and is committed to sharing that beauty with others. Harnessing the power of virtual reality technology, they create immersive experiences that transport users to the heart of lush forests, majestic peaks, and tranquil seascapes. Each virtual journey is crafted with meticulous detail, capturing the vibrant colors, soothing sounds, and invigorating sense of the wild, aiming to foster a connection with nature and inspire a commitment to environmental conservation. Through this innovative approach, the enthusiast hopes to ignite a spark of appreciation and stewardship in every participant, ensuring that the beauty of nature is cherished and preserved for generations to come.